Learning how to lose weight extremely fast. This video is created to teach you how to lose weight extremely fast. Body composition in the most simplest form is manipulated by two factors. Those two factors make up the familiar equation of calories out, caloric expenditure, versus calories in, caloric intake. Calories out simply refers to your activity level. Activity level can be categorized by anything other than staying completely still. In this context, activity level refers to exercise. Learning how to lose weight with exercise isn't hard either. There is no one exercise program that fits all needs. The best exercise/workout program to follow is the one you can stick to consistently. That is the most vital aspect of the caloric expenditure, calories out, aspect of the equation. Caloric intake, calories in, is the nutritional part of the equation. I am sure you have heard of portion control. That applies to this part of losing weight. In order for your activity level to have an impact on your weight loss, you need to establish and maintain a caloric deficit, eating fewer calories than energy you burn. That is the essence of how to lose weight extremely fast. Your activity level raises your metabolism by requiring energy, calories, to perform. This requirement in conjunction with eating in a caloric deficit will make your body seek energy sources from somewhere else other than through digestion. That means the stored energy in your body fat, becomes the fuel source to supplement what you haven't provided from food. There are supplement solutions available to help assist you to lose weight extremely fast, such as Lean Belly Breakthrough. The key is the ability to maintain a raised metabolism. This raised metabolism will consume weight quickly, allowing you the opportunity to reach your goal of losing weight extremely fast. For more information, click any of the links in the video description.